How to unfriend someone on Heyday. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove someone from your friends list on Heyday. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up Heyday. Now to open up your friends list, you will need to tap on this icon here on the bottom right corner and there head over to the friends section. Now there you should see the list of your friends. If you tap on this book icon here, you should be able to see your list. Now, as you can see right here, I don't have any friends right now, but you should see your friends right here in game friends. Now head over to that very page and you should see an option like this there as well. Just tap on that and your friends will get removed. There should be an option to unfriend them. Just tap on that and now you have just unfriended or removed someone from your friends list on Heyday. And that is it guys, and that is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.